I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure your phone has at least 20% battery and, if required, network access. Open the Settings app, the gear icon, or swipe down and tap the gear. Once in Settings, go directly to Security and Lock Screen or Biometrics and Security. This is where Android centralizes screen lock options. You're doing this now to set a reliable lock. Next, choose Screen Lock to begin selecting a PIN, pattern, or password. Pick one before moving on. Now choose the lock type based on security versus convenience. PIN for quick digits, password for stronger entropy, or pattern for speed. You'll be prompted to enter it twice. Enter carefully and confirm to avoid lockouts. Once set, make sure to enable optional biometrics like fingerprint or face to speed unlocks while retaining security. Also adjust lock timeout and notification visibility so sensitive content stays hidden on the lock screen. These steps balance protection with daily usability. Finish by locking the phone and testing the unlock flow. Try both your new PIN or password and biometric fallback to confirm both work. Make sure recovery options are set. Link your Google account, set a backup PIN, or mark trusted devices so you can regain access if you forget. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use the device-specific recovery path or Google Find My Device to reset remotely. If necessary, factory reset is last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.